So I just did 2.5 hours of straight freaking torture. I did an hour and a half of heated yoga, and then I did an hour and a half of high interval training. This is gonna be gross, but I just want to show you guys what that did. That is 100% sweat. It's pretty gross. It's Friday and I've used up 5 days worth of like shirts and boxers and socks and all that, so I need to go to the laundromat and wash that stuff, and then we can finally get out of this town and head somewhere else because I'm really ready to relax for a couple days. Good morning, guys. So I am now currently up in the mountains near the Los Padres area. I just got up here yesterday after spending an entire week just going to the gym, eating like the same stuff, and like finding hectic stealth camp spots every single night. I had to find like a different place every single night because there's no place that I felt comfortable really like just being at the entire time. So it honestly was pretty stressful. It was a very like hectic week of just like doing the same thing, rinse, wash, repeat. But there was honestly like I felt this like comfort in it because for the first time in a long time, guys, I felt actual routine. Like just 5 days, getting up, waking up at 7 a.m., going to the gym, doing my program, getting off, taking a shower, going, reading my books, doing my language studies, playing with Lars, walking Lars at the beach. It was like the same stuff every day. Nighttime was the only hectic time because that's when, you know, I had to try to find somewhere to stay. But it felt really nice having like a routine, like a solid routine. So I think I'm going to keep doing this for as long as it takes for me to reach the goals that I'm trying to reach. This gym is insane. I'll say that much. Like, the classes that I'm doing are crazy. The last one I did an hour and a half of like heated, intense yoga. And it was like really hot in that room. I was sweating. Halfway through, I was like, I can't do this. I want to go. So I was about to stop and like leave. And then I was like, if I leave, I'm going to like have to open the door and let all the cool air out. And I'm not sure if I think it was like a Broad City joke, maybe. Like, there was some show where the person left early and everybody got mad because they let all the cool air in, and it's supposed to be heated. So I was like, I don't want to like ruin everybody's workout, and I'm not just gonna like sit here on my mat and not work out if I'm here. So let's just do it. So I pushed through the entire hour and a half. It was intense. And right after that, I did an hour class of high interval training. So 2.5 hours for that day. But afterwards, I hit the sauna and the ice bath. And the ice bath, boy, that was crazy. But after such a intense and hectic week, I'm glad to like be spending my weekend up here just chilling. I'm not doing anything crazy today. I'm taking a day off pretty much, and I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna relax, walk Lars. I actually got something the other day. I got a slackline because I've always wanted to be one of those dudes who's like, yo, let's go put the slackline up, bro. Do some slacklining. I tried the slackline for the first time ever last year with my friend Alyssa, and it was way harder than I thought it would be. And I've always considered myself to be a person who has decent balance. Slacklining's hard. And it's a thing that I really want to learn. It's so easy to do whenever I'm in an area like this. There's trees, just hook it up. So I think I'm going to do that today. So I'm going to finish this, and then me and Lars are probably just going to go outside. It's going to be hot today. It's already getting hot. I'm not sure if you can see me sweating. Today's high, I think it's like 89. It's like 10 a.m. and it's already like pretty hot. So we'll probably be doing some like outside cooking because I'm not going to heat it up in here. That would be ridiculous. It's getting way too hot for that. So I'm going to finish this, and I'll see you outside. All right, so this is a campsite. We've got a little area over there. There's a fire pit, but there is a current fire ban, which is a big bummer because I really wanted to do a campfire. But yeah, I got a seat and a little awning sort of situation. So yeah, we're definitely gonna do lunch over there. Bubby, look how dirty you are already. Oh God. All right, so I just got done slacklining. I am not good, but I got better. I was out there for like an hour and I went from like instantly falling off to taking a step and then falling off. That's growth. But right now, I am getting ready to cook in like an hour or so. I'm gonna go ahead and make the coleslaw. So I'm doing bulgogi Korean tacos with bulgogi and slaw. So I'm gonna make a kimchi slaw. I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the van, so it can be marinating by the time I go outside to go cook the meat. Okay. All right, so this is the camp stove we're gonna be using. I'm not sure if I've showed you guys this before. I think the brand is Snow Peak, or this. I think this is actually, yeah, this is like an off-brand one, I think. But it's super cool. This is not a sponsorship, by the way. I just like this burner because since I have a full kitchen in my van, I still wanted to be able to have like the option to cook outside, but I didn't want anything too bulky like what I had in the Astro van. So this just opens up like that, and it's like a gadget. This part slides out, press the button, and it comes all the way around like that. And then you grab your butane, pop it right in there, close it up, and we have fire. So this is gonna be a very simple meal. I'm not doing any crazy cooking. You guys already saw the slaw we made. And if you've been watching the channel for a long time, you'll know how happy I am that I found these. These are the corn mixed with flour tortillas. They're like the best tortillas I've ever had. Not just this brand, but like flour, like half flour, half corn. It's perfection. Alright, so let's turn this on. Turn it on low. Alright, hit this with a little bit of oil. We're just gonna heat the tortillas up. So I don't know about you, but I don't do cold tortillas. That's just not my style. I'll go to some places and they'll like have, they'll serve their tacos on like just like cold corn tortillas. And that's just like the worst. That's like the worst if you ask me. Oh yeah. This smells so freaking good, guys. There's that kimchi slaw that I made earlier. Just just gonna dump some of that on there. Honestly, I was thinking this meal was gonna be like really, like, I don't know, bad. This is a actually pretty balanced meal, if I do say so myself. Okay. Yeah, this is like a OHV area, so there's like people riding through all day. It's like the one drawback. There is a pit toilet here, which is awesome. So that's a plus. But yeah, let's give this a try. This is a bulgogi kimchi slaw taco. Cheers. Wow. It just would not be a balanced meal if I did not find a Lars hair in there. This is incredible. While I was at Whole Foods, I saw something else that I kind of wanted to get to try. This is umeshu. It is a plum wine, and if you can see, it actually has the plums still in there. So I kind of wanted to have like a glass of this. I thought it would go really well with the bulgogi tacos. Not sure if you shake it. It's got a little tab on there. Ooh, that smells really good. I know you can't smell it. I'm just gonna have a little bit to go with these delicious tacos. Cheers. That's really good. That's way sweeter than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like kind of dry. That's awesome. But yeah, guys, I think honestly I'm gonna eat the rest of my food, enjoy the sunset. I really want to get that slack line down, so I'm probably gonna hop back on there. But yeah, it's kind of all I got today. I'm just chilling today. I've had a really hectic but amazing week, filled with like pushing myself harder than I thought I could go. And I don't know. I'm very proud of myself, and I can't wait to go back on Monday. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. If you enjoy food stuff, I have a second channel where I do food content. Go give that a follow. Um, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. So, until then, peace. Oh, I'm gonna get it.